We know courts can award reasonable attorney's fees to prevailing parties in civil rights matters. But what if a prevailing party already has a fee contract with its attorney? After widespread disagreement amongst the Circuit Courts of Appeals, the Supreme Court finally tackled this question in the 1990 case of Venegas versus Mitchell. After trying unsuccessfully to assert his rights stemming from an allegedly false arrest in Long Beach, Mr. Venegas hired attorney Mitchell to represent him in the civil rights matter. The two agreed that Mitchell's contingent fee would be 40% of Venegas's gross recovery amount. They signed a contract outlining this and other terms and agreed that Mitchell and co-counsel were to share in the 40% contingent fee. With Mitchell and co-counsel's representation, Venegas won a judgment in the false arrest matter for a little over $2 million. Mitchell then moved for attorney's fees under Title 42 of U.S. Code, Section 1988, which permits the court to award reasonable attorney's fees to prevailing parties in civil rights matters. The court awarded Venegas $117,000 in attorney's fees, $75,000 of which was to be awarded to Mitchell based on his portion of the work and time spent on the case. Venegas then retained different counsel for the appeal, and Mitchell sought to recover his contingent fee. In district court, Mitchell asserted an attorney's lien on Venegas's judgment proceeds in the amount of $406,000, which represented half the 40% of Venegas's award. Venegas contended that Mitchell wasn't entitled to the excessive contingent fee and that the court's award of $75,000 prevented him from also collecting the contingent fee. The district court found for Mitchell, stating that Section 1988 didn't preclude Mitchell from collecting his contingent fee per the contract. Even though the fee was more than the statutory award, the court didn't find it unreasonable. The Ninth Circuit affirmed, and by this point Venegas's $2 million false arrest judgment was affirmed on appeal, so the Ninth Circuit remanded this matter to district court to effectuate Mitchell's lien on Venegas's judgment award. The Supreme Court agreed to review the case.